Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a look at these Maxspeeding rods coilovers. They sent me these to do a product review, so big thanks to them for looking out for the smaller creators. So we're going to be doing a separate video review on these, but for now we're just going to take a look. So right out of the box they look really nice quality. I believe these are their T6 model, which is their latest revision. It also features a 24-way adjustable dampering to adjust the stiffness, so we'll have to play with that, but overall these things look really nice, so I'm going to go ahead and get these installed on the car. If you guys want 10% off your order at maxspeedingrods.com, you can use coupon code MODINTUNE. These coilovers really elevated my build to the next level, and I'm very excited to see how they handle. They also have a lot more than just coilovers. They have turbos, engine parts, suspension parts, electronics, and all kinds of other goodies for your car, so go and check them out. Alright, so I have them laid out on the bench here to take a closer look. I actually unscrewed the bottom of this one all the way just to see how much thread was in there, and you can see we got quite a bit. So one thing on my Skunk 2 coilovers that I have, a feature that I like that this doesn't have, is they have a sight hole drilled in here at the lowest point that you can safely do it. So like if these are spec'd to have like at least this much in to be safe, or this much, that hole would be right there and you would see it before you unthread it too much. So that's something they could probably improve, but other than that they appear to be really nice quality here. So just a quick interjection here. I'm not one to read manuals, but I did look in the manual and it said to keep 25 to 30 millimeters threaded in for safety. There's also this part of the threads here that is machined differently. It looks like that's where you should stop, but there's nothing explicitly saying that, so I'm not sure. So from the factory, it looks like these were set at just over an inch, so I'm going to bump that up to 2 inches. I have no idea what that's going to settle to all in the end. I'll probably end up making some adjustments, but at least I'll get them all even and we'll go from there. It looks like these collars are already tightened from the factory, or like in a good spot, so I'm not going to mess with those. So yeah, anyways, I'm just going to get these set and put them on. Alright, I have all these set to where I want them, and when I said change it from 1 inch to 2 inch, I was just referring to this gap right here. That's going to set your ride height. That's not related to how low it's going to be. I'm going for a stock or slightly less than stock ride height, so I just raised these a little bit from the factory, but I really don't know where it's going to be once it settles. So anyways, that should be good. I'm going to have to get these shock forks installed on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that now.